Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and the first question of the day: a dichotomous key for trees is provided. Here in this table, hikers found a tree that has large brown cones and single sharp needles. What species of tree have the hikers found? And dichotomous key is a series of questions which you have to answer, and as a result you can find the answer to your question, which species it is. For example, the first question gives us two alternative variants. Cones are small, cones are large. And according to what hikers have found, the cones are large and brown. So this is going to be variant B. And now we have to go to step number 2. Needles are single, and variant B, needles are in groups of 2. And we know that needles are single sharp needles. And next, question 3, needles are sharp at the end and needles are round at the end. And we know that needles are sharp at the end. So this is spruce, and this is answer C. So as you see, it is very easy to use this dichotomous key in order to specify species. It can be a plant or animal. And the second question, first part of the scientific name is always, and you have to choose one of these answers. Both genus and species, which is a part of scientific name, italicized. If you write scientific name with your hand, and it is very hard to say when scientific name italicized or not, you have to underline scientific name. And first part of scientific name, which is genus, is capitalized, and second part of the species written in the lowercase. For example, Homo sapiens. Homo would be capitalized and sapiens would be written in lowercase. And here is this rules. So our choice is going to be answer C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.